Hello, my name is Muhammad Faris bin Muhammad Zabidi, B0717102115, and together with my friend Hakim, Shafiq, and Sri Ram, and this is my part for Lab 2, Section 1. Control full wave rectifier R load. This is the circuit given, and for this simulation, we need to find the V input, V supply, V output, and current output. So is the procedure S1, S2, S3, S4, and 60, and then for the circuit that we made. So here we put the V output here, voltmeter here, current ammeter here, and voltmeter for supply here. And let's see the graph. And first for the V supply, we got the perfect full wave shape. And next for VO, V output, and then we get this shape of wave. And finally for current output. Okay, so now we get the output that we need for V supply, V output, and current output.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good evening to beloved lecturer Sir Fauzi. Today I'm Muhammad Shafiq bin Ahmad from class S1/1 would like to present about lab 2 for section 2 control half wave rectifier RL load. Okay, we can see the circuit diagram for section 2. This is the firing angle, and this is VO2 and IO2 dan VS2. Okay, go to the next step. After we simulate the circuit, we can see obtain the graph. Okay, this is the graph for VS2, and this is graph for V output 2 and I current output 2. Okay, this is a firing angle, and lastly we can state at the table for V average that we can get the value, and VRMS and current average, and lastly IRMS. For the next step, we can after we simulate, we calculate the calculation. This is the calculation for the section 2. Okay, and lastly we go to the simulation for section 2 part 2. Okay, this is the firing angle for the section 2, and firstly we can set for the timing total time 0.1. Okay, we simulate for the diagram. Okay, firstly we can see the graph for VS2, V source 2, and next we can see for VO2, and lastly we can see for IO2 current output. This is the graph for section 2. For the value for average, we can get this is the average for the graph, and lastly for RMS, we can see for the value for RMS from the graph. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.